Hello, my name is Valery Kamenev. I'll make a 2-minute presentation of the job search service that we have created. Our service is focused on the relevance of the search output and how fast you come to the relevance. Let's find a job for my colleague who is a great Java programmer. Let's input Java. The search output looks quite usual. However, the job advertisements that contain word Java just by occasion will not appear on top. Why? Because our service downloads the HTML pages with job advertisements, reads them, extracts job ads, and most importantly, analyzes them. This way, by default, we choose ads with most strong Java context to show on the top of the search results. Well, let's click on the entry. Most strong terms from semantic context of Java are automatically emphasized. If you don't like a certain term, you just input it prepended by minus. Here are the job advertisements where Apache is no longer preferred by a user. However, all ads are still Java related. System immediately learns from all users' interactions. Each interaction is used to assess a professional profile of the user. We call it graph of professional interests. Now let's see what architect jobs do we have. Only Java-related architect jobs are on top. A cool thing that the system permanently learns preferences of the user. So we could even delete everything from input query now and search again. Current graph of professional interests defines what jobs are best matching. All relevant terms are shown in bold. One could dislike some ads or prefer others. System immediately updates the graph of professional interests. What could a new user actually achieve in 10 seconds? Let's remove all interactions from the system. This way, we've cleared the graph of professional interests as well. Now assume I'm a mathematician who worked with SAS product for statistical analysis. Here are the SAS jobs. Okay, and now assume I would like to look for SAS-like jobs, but please without SAS anymore. And here we go. SAS context is activated, but SAS itself is prohibited. Thanks for watching.